With hundreds of coffee machines on the market in 2026, picking the wrong one means overpaying for features you'll never use, getting a machine too complicated for your daily routine, or ending up with watery shots that don't come close to your favorite cafe. We compared the top coffee machines available right now based on espresso quality, ease of use, build quality, and real-world value for every type of coffee drinker. This list is in no particular order, and you'll find Amazon links to every machine in the description below. Let's get into it.
The first machine on our list is the Neretva CP6100. And this is the one that brings professional espresso capability and standout retro styling into the home kitchen at a price that makes both the design and the performance genuinely accessible. It's built for home baristas who want real control over their brew and a machine that looks as good on the counter as the coffee it produces. The CP6100 runs a 15-bar pump with 198 degrees Fahrenheit precise temperature control and pre-infusion technology that moistens grounds before full pressure is applied, ensuring even extraction and a richer crema. The visible pressure gauge and temperature display provide real-time feedback during every shot, and the instant heating boiler means no waiting for warm-up. The 58mm professional portafilter and non-pressurized baskets give full control over extraction, allowing freshly ground coffee to shine rather than relying on pressurized baskets designed for pre-ground. The powerful steam wand produces rich, stable microfoam for latte art and cappuccinos. The retro design comes in green, silver, and white, making it one of the most visually distinctive machines on any countertop at this price. At $179.99 with an 18% saving, it represents genuine value for a 58mm semi-automatic with this level of build quality and feature depth. You can find its Amazon link in the description below.
Next up is the COWSAR CM8050P, and this is the machine for coffee lovers who want the freshest possible espresso without managing a separate grinder on the counter. Freshly ground beans produce noticeably better espresso than pre-ground coffee, and the CM8050P integrates that step directly into the machine with a conical burr grinder offering 30 adjustable grind size settings. The conical burr grinder with 30 grind settings lets you dial in precisely for your beans and roast level. Low-pressure pre-infusion saturates the puck before full 20-bar pressure is applied, minimizing channeling for a smoother, more balanced shot. PID temperature control maintains stability throughout extraction, eliminating the drift that affects cheaper single-boiler machines. The 58mm commercial portafilter with 4 precision filter baskets covers single shots, double shots, and different brew styles without needing extra accessories. The steam wand produces barista-quality microfoam for lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites, and the cup warmer keeps drinkware at the right temperature before pouring. The complete package includes a professional milk pitcher, tamper, and cleaning kit. For home baristas who want the full grind-to-cup experience without sacrificing quality or control, the COWSAR CM8050P is the pick. Its Amazon link is in the description below. At number 3 is the Breville Bambino Plus. And this is the machine that Food Network, Yahoo Shopping, and multiple independent barista testers named the best overall home espresso machine in 2026. It's the pick that consistently comes up when coffee experts are asked what they would recommend to someone buying their first serious espresso machine. The thermojet heating system reaches brewing temperature in just 3 seconds, virtually no waiting between turning it on and pulling your first shot. Every espresso produced during independent testing delivered a consistent golden crema with smooth, balanced flavor described as genuinely cafe quality, with chocolate and caramel notes that hold up across multiple pulls. The 54mm portafilter and dual-wall filter baskets make it forgiving for beginners who haven't yet dialed in their grind and tamp workflow. The automatic steam wand lets you select milk temperature and texture, then handles frothing entirely, producing silky microfoam without manual technique. It's compact, simple to operate, and the only honest trade-off is the absence of a built-in grinder. For anyone stepping into home espresso for the first time, the Bambino Plus is the easiest and most rewarding starting point available. You can check its Amazon link in the description below.
The De'Longhi Specialista Touch is the best premium espresso machine on this list, and the one that Tom's Guide professional barista reviewer names the best espresso machine for most people in 2026. It combines a built-in grinder, guided brewing assistant, and advanced temperature management in a single machine that genuinely bridges the gap between home and professional espresso quality. Bean Adapt technology walks you through the entire grinding process based on your bean type and roast level, asking the right questions before guiding you to the correct grind setting, which removes the trial and error that discourages most beginners from getting the best out of a semi-automatic machine. Sensor grinding stops automatically when the portafilter is correctly dosed, and the tamping kit ensures even compression without mess or guesswork. Dual heating systems manage brewing and steaming temperatures independently, no waiting between pulling a shot and frothing milk, which is a meaningful daily advantage over single boiler machines. The steam wand works manually for experienced baristas or switches to automatic for hands-free texturing. The result is a machine that grows with the user, delivering excellent results from day one while offering deeper control as confidence builds. For serious coffee drinkers who want the most capable home espresso system available without going prosumer, the La Specialista Touch delivers it. Its Amazon link is available in the description below.
The Nespresso Essenza Mini is the right pick for coffee drinkers who want a genuinely great espresso experience without any of the complexity, cleanup, or technique that semi-automatic machines require. If grinding, tamping, and dialing in extraction pressure isn't what you're looking for in a morning routine, this is the machine that delivers excellent results with a single button press. The machine reads each pod's barcode to automatically set the correct brewing parameters. No guesswork, no adjustment. Food Network testers describe the result as cup after cup consistent crema-topped espresso. The compact footprint is among the smallest available, ideal for smaller kitchens, offices, and dorm rooms. The Aerochino milk frother, included in most bundles, produces smooth, foamy milk for lattes and cappuccinos with a single button press, perfectly matching the simplicity of the main machine. Nespresso's capsule range covers everything from intense ristretto to lighter lungo-style coffees, and a pod recycling program handles responsible disposal. The honest trade-offs are the ongoing capsule cost and limited customization versus ground coffee machines. But for buyers who prioritize speed, consistency, and zero daily cleanup above everything else, the Nespresso Essenza Mini is the most practical and reliable pick on this list. Its Amazon link is listed in the description below.
The last machine on our list is the De'Longhi Stilosa, and this is the pick for buyers who want a real espresso machine, not a pod machine or a single-serve device, at the lowest possible entry price. Tom's Guide names it their best budget espresso machine for 2026, and it's consistently recommended by barista reviewers as the most capable option under $100. The 15-bar pump brews genuine espresso with crema more than most machines at this price deliver. The manual steam wand produces real milk foam rather than pressurized froth, giving buyers a proper tool to practice with. The compact design fits easily on any counter, and the removable drip tray keeps maintenance simple. The trade-offs are exactly what you'd expect at this price. No built-in grinder, no temperature display, no PID control, and a smaller water tank than premium options. Manual steaming takes a few sessions to produce consistent microfoam. But for first-time espresso buyers who want to learn the craft before committing to a premium machine, or for students and budget buyers who simply want genuine espresso at home without spending over $100, the De'Longhi Stilosa punches significantly above its price point. Its Amazon link is in the description below.
So, which coffee machine should you buy in 2026? For retro design and 15-bar barista control, the Neretva CP6100 is the pick. For grind-fresh convenience with a built-in burr grinder and PID control, go with the COWSAR CM8050P. For the best beginner machine overall, the Breville Bambino Plus is the top recommendation. Serious coffee lovers who want a fully guided premium experience should go with the De'Longhi Specialista Touch. For pod simplicity and zero-effort consistency, the Nespresso Essenza Mini is the easiest daily driver. And for genuine espresso on a tight budget, the De'Longhi Stilosa is the smartest entry point.
All the coffee machines mentioned are available on Amazon US, and I've added Amazon affiliate links in the description so you can check the latest prices and current deals. Let me know in the comments which one fits your coffee routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.